Hey everybody, welcome to Davis Square in Somerville, Massachusetts. Today we're going to take a little drive around Somerville. So I'm basically just going to go around the block here in Davis Square, and then I'm going to head up to Ball Square and then go down Broadway. And hopefully we end up in Assembly Row at the end. So it should be about a 15 to 20 minute drive. Right now we're on Elm Street in Davis. We're going by Anna's Taqueria and Sligo. So I think I'll take the turn here. Here's the Davis Square playground on the left. It's a bright sunny day today. Hopefully we don't run into too much traffic today. It's what is today? It's Friday, February 11th, 2022. It's about 2 p.m. and it's a warm 55 degrees out. It's very warm for February 11th. I don't even think it was. There's JP Licks and Boston Burger Company on my right. Both excellent places to get ice cream and one to get a burger. And this will take us up to, is it Ball Square? Or, I think it's Ball Square or Teele Square. I'll double check that. There's Orleans. Some fun times in there. Dave's Fresh Pasta. Just wonderful. If you like pasta. This road is really bumpy. After all the plowing they've done recently for the snow, you can see most of the snow from the big storm we had. It was like Saturday before last is pretty much gone now because we've had some really warm weather. Not complaining. Although it's supposed to snow on Sunday. I was hoping to do the Lunar New Year parade in Chinatown in Boston that day, but I have to see if it's been canceled or not. Regardless, I'll be out, and especially if it's snowing out. Okay, I'm going to take a right here on Broadway. Square, by the way, we went through. Don't know why I call it Ball Square. That's a different location. Coming up on Powderhouse Square. Oh, just missed a pothole. Ooh, that would have been a big slam. And here we're in Powderhouse Square now. I think you can see the monument, the stone building from down here. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, you can see it up there. And we'll just drive down Broadway now. Lindell's Bakery. Those cakes in the window, they look good. Kelly's Diner. I used to eat there quite a bit for breakfast in the morning. It's a wonderful, like, old school kind of diner. Right over the train tracks. I believe this is Trumfield coming up to the right. A staple of Somerville for decades that I know of. See the Bunker Hill Monument if you look in the straight ahead. Not sure how easy it is to see on these GoPros. There's Leone's coming up on the right, which has been here forever. It's good to see them still around. We're gonna cross over McGrath Highway. There's one of the Somerville fire stations. Crossed over McGrath Highway into East Somerville.
Head northwest on Broadway toward Autumn Street, Garfield Avenue. In a quarter quarter mile, turn left onto Lombardy Street.
Little bit of a traffic jam back there, not too bad. There's the old Schraff's building. That's a landmark now, I believe.
Turn left onto Lombardy Street. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Revolution.
Oh yeah, there's a good view of the Encore Casino there. It's kind of a fun place to go. I'm not a big gambler, but there's some good restaurants and some other things to do in there. And we are approaching Assembly Row. And I guess that'll be it for this particular drive. I'm going to pull in. This is a shopping, and you can, there are condos here, or apartments and shopping all in one. A lot of places like this are cropping up. See if I can kind of navigate through here, just through some of the shops and stores here. That street is pretty crammed. Yeah, there's the Assembly Row Express. See, here's the Orange Line train is right here, pretty convenient. Easy to get into Boston. That was a Shake Shack here. I used to come to the movie theater down here quite a bit before all the quarantines and everything. To be honest, I haven't been in a movie theater in ages now. See if I can find the, oh, that's neat. I never noticed those heads up there. See if I can find the street that goes down to the movie theater. I think this, yeah, I think this is it. You can see there's tons of places to eat down here and get a drink or whatever. I think this is Always Stop. Oh, I see it. I'm one road off. I'm going to come down here and turn around. We can go past the Jeffrey the Giraffe statue, or I think it's Jeffrey the Giraffe. It could just be a Lego giraffe statue. there's a giraffe statue. Movie theater. Seen quite a few movies here. Outback Steakhouse, legal kitchen or legal seafood. Alright guys, I guess I'll call this particular trip done. So, as always, if you enjoy my content, if you enjoy my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. There's a Mystic Lake, I believe there. It's kind of frozen, but it seems like it's thawing now. Also, make sure to check out my photography at WayneOxfordPhotography.com. I hope you enjoyed this ride. Thanks for coming along, and I will see you next time. Bye.